In this lifetime, there will be times when you will feel totally confused. One moment you want to do something, and the other moment you will feel like this is a BS. Well, I'm here to talk about the three things that you can do whenever you feel such a way. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Live in light. I am Keerti, Energy Alchemist. I transform the energies of my clients from scanning the energies and finding the exact steps they need to take in their life to change it to abundance. Well, when I started out on spirituality, I didn't know what to do because I have no mentor who can help me out. At that time, I was totally foolish not to work with a mentor or anyone who can help me out. And that is how we all start. We start through watching all the videos from one step to another, and we try to do it and figure it all out on our own self. That is when confusion stuck and knock our door. That is when you feel like, what is going on? I don't know how to change my life, how to recreate a beautiful life. And we are not able to find the answers to many questions. There is a simple step that you can follow right here and now. Whenever you feel that you are stuck and you do not know how to move on to the next step, whenever you feel that you have to find a way to recreate life in such a way where you are 100% clear almost all the time, every day, you have to take some deep breath in and clear your mind. Meditation is something that can help you out. That is the first step, that meditation can help you to clear your mind, to clear and make you understand what you want, what is there that you have been looking for, what is there that you need to change in you. And that is when all the confusion goes out. When you feel like no one is supporting you, no one understands you, that is when you take that confusion step into your life. That is when confusion hit your door. And when you stop for letting the confusion go by meditating slowly, even if it means that you need to take deep breath in and out, that's all you have to do, and that is where you have to start with. That's the first step that you need to take, and you have to start somewhere at least, right? You can't be in confusion throughout your life waiting for someone hit you and grab you and ask you to work with them, right? So the second step is pretty difficult, or pretty what we don't follow. Find a mentor. The second step is find a mentor who can help you out, who can understand you, and who had been through all of this. Seriously, I never felt that I need to go on and find a mentor until I was in suicidal depression. That is when I went out and find someone who can help me out. But well, that's a long story. Shorten it down, you have to find a mentor who can help you out, who can show you the exact path or the exact steps that you need to take. There are people who are totally in tune with the energies of universe and who know that this little thing can help you out or that little thing can break you down. And following those steps with them can help you to move up to a next level. Third thing is to be with you. Self-love. To understand the meaning of self-love, to take actions about falling in love with you. Do not go and seek out love around in this world because it won't going to help you out. You have to fill your cup to the brim, and you have to find out how you can do it. Find a video about the self-love and check it out, that how you can start with self-love at the first moment, or at a moment where you are feeling low almost every moment and where you think that nothing is possible. Go and check out self-love and how to motivate yourself to go into the urge to recreate your life with self-love. Because when you start falling in love with yourself, when you start understanding yourself, that is how we deal with problems, that is how we heal. So this is a little video, a small video that you can go on and grab anytime when you feel confused. You just need to take 3 steps, meditate, find a mentor who can help you out of this situation. Find someone, at least find someone to help you out of this situation. And third, what was the third thing? Write it in the comments below. Let me know what was the third thing. The third thing is that you need to take care of yourself and understand the self-love and start taking actions towards it. That is how we change. And this little video is going to help you out almost anytime you feel confused. And if you haven't watched the video about why you need to be grounded, go on and check it out, because that is going to help you out. So stay tuned till the next time and ask your questions. Share this with your friends and family, because you never know whose life you are changing by sharing this little video. Live in light, enjoy life, and have fun.